Hello guys! Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I thought today's video we would talk about skincare soulmates. And what are skincare soulmates? Well, think of it like this. Peanut butter and jelly are perfect on their own, but when paired together, their tastes just combine to create the perfect recipe. Well, skincare and ingredients are just the same. So today I'm going to talk about my favorite skincare pairings or ingredient pairings for you to get even better results. First, let's talk about retinoids and hyaluronic acid. What a perfect pair. So basically they're like two water signs, but not. Do water signs even go together? Well, anyway, okay, vitamin A essentially tells the skin how to look younger by increasing cellular turnover or how your skin sheds. So when it sheds, it's releasing old dead skin, it's gonna look more vibrant, and it's gonna release pigment and help with fine lines and wrinkles. So making the skin create more collagen and also restore itself. Although vitamin A is totally safe and highly effective depending on your skin type and the percentages you're using, it can be harsh for some people, especially certain derivatives of vitamin A. This can lead to redness, dryness, flaky skin, and a lot of people stop using it. So what I love to do is pair a vitamin A or retinol, retinoid with hyaluronic acid. When we pair hyaluronic acid with vitamin A, this is going to increase the skin's water content. It's going to help to soften the skin and hydrate it on all levels. And when doing this and pairing it with vitamin A, it's going to replenish that dryness that vitamin A can cause as your skin acclimates to it, which can take 2 to 4, even sometimes 6 weeks. And unlike typical acids, a lot of people get scared by hyaluronic acid because they hear that acid word. Hyaluronic acid does not make the skin exfoliate, it does not dry the skin. All it does is increase skin's hydration and its tolerability to harsher products. My next two favorite soulmates are going to be vitamin C and glycolic acid. If you have done a consult with me and you struggle with hyperpigmentation, I have definitely put these two ingredients in your skincare routine. If these two basically were on a dating app, they would swipe right on each other. Vitamin C protects the skin from free radical damage and fades dark spots and hyperpigmentation for an even skin tone. In order to ensure vitamin C is the most effective, we love pairing it with a glycolic acid. Glycolic acid loosens the dead skin or the bonds in between the skin to allow them to detach and make way for new, fresh, alive skin cells. These skin cells are going to be vibrant and they're going to emerge to the surface. Glycolic acid also helps fade dark spots, and since glycolic acid helps to slough off the dead skin cells, it's going to on its own make skin more vibrant, but when it sloughs off these dead skin cells, it's actually creating room for that vitamin C to be absorbed deeper into the skin and for the vitamin C to brighten the surface of your skin because all those dead skin cells have already been removed. So it's working with healthy, fresh skin. And as we know, vitamin C on its own is incredible. I don't know why I did this in front of this gigantic light. I can barely see. Vitamin C helps stimulate collagen, and it's so important to have a vitamin C in a routine. It's helping fight free radicals, it's helping create collagen, and these two together are going to be the perfect anti-aging brightening duo. Next up in our skincare soulmates is vitamin C and vitamin E. In fact, you probably see vitamin E in a lot of formulations, so you don't even need them on their own. But the point is that's why they go great together. Like, they bring out the best of each other. So when combined, vitamin C and E are the perfect and ultimate pair when it comes to providing protection from oxidative damage. So they are two fierce antioxidants. They're two strong, independent people paired together to create the ultimate force. This is why you often see them combined. So like I said, you see these two ingredients combined a lot into one formulation. You'll find that in SkinMedica's vitamin C plus E. You'll find that in Photozyme's vitamin C plus E. But also vitamin E helps to stabilize vitamin C, making it stay potent even longer. So when you look at your expiration date on these products, It helps it to stay potent and superior in the bottle, so you don't have to worry about it not being in its active form. While it's stabilizing your vitamin C, it keeps it in its active form. It doesn't allow it to oxidize, and it keeps it super fresh. That's why we love seeing these two together in one formulation. Now that does mean it will be a little bit darker, but I've never seen a vitamin C that's clear, because vitamin C is yellow. So both of these together, again, are gonna fight free radicals. They're going to help block different types of UV damage and prevent photo damage. So we want to always pair these two ingredients together because they are the ultimate soulmates. So of course, when we are putting on our morning skincare routine, the perfect pair for any skincare product in your morning routine and throughout the day is always gonna be SPF. So I hope you guys enjoyed this soulmates video. I love you guys. You're my skincare soulmates, and have a beautiful Sunday.